Welcome to the HAL APS channel. The changeover time is not always constant, resulting from the technological description. Very often it depends on the production sequence. If your hardening furnace has to change temperature, the changeover time will be different when you increase the temperature and different when you cool it. In the case of a paint shop, the time will be different when you paint from black to white and different when you paint from white to black. If it is a food industry, cross-contamination may affect the changeover time. There can be many dependencies and very often one changeover matrix is not enough. HAL APS has a mechanism for building many types of changeover matrices. An infinite number of changeover matrices can be connected to one resource. For example, when our resource is a harmonizing furnace and we want to change the changeover time depending on the change in furnace temperature, the matrix could look like in the presented example. HAL APS can prohibit certain changeover combinations and mark them in red. It can check if they meet the requirements of quick SMED and OTED changeovers known from lean manufacturing and evaluate them in terms of the theory of constraints. We can also record the cost of changeover. This is the simplest example. HAL can create more complicated changeover dies by observing the change of tool on the machine, or multidimensional dies. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.